Tesla starts rolling out FSD V14.2.1 to AI4 vehicles. It appears that the Tesla AI team burned the midnight oil, allowing them to release FSD V14.2.1 on Thanksgiving. The update has been reported by Tesla owners with AI4 vehicles, as well as Cybertruck owners. For the Tesla AI team, at least, it appears that work really does not stop. FSD V14.2.1. Initial posts about FSD V14.2.1 were shared by Tesla owners on social media platform X. As per the Tesla owners, V14.2.1 appears to be a point update that's designed to polish the features and capacities that have been available in FSD V14. A look at the release notes for FSD V14.2.1, however, shows that an extra line has been added. Camera visibility can lead to increased attention monitoring sensitivity. Whether this could lead to more drivers being alerted to pay attention to the roads, more remains to be seen. This would likely become evident as soon as the first batch of videos from Tesla owners who received V14.21 start sharing their first drive impressions of the update. Despite the update being released on Thanksgiving, it would not be surprising if first impressions videos of FSD V14.2.1 are shared today, just the same. As I am finishing Thanksgiving dinner, what drops? A new version of FSD V14.2.1 is downloading to my Cybertruck and 2026 Model Y at the same time. Good news, $TSLA FSD V14.2.1 rolling out now. This point update is to polish what have been available in 14.2, but also includes this new update. Camera visibility can lead to increased attention monitoring sensitivity. FSD V14.2.1 navigates a very narrow corner in a parking garage, then pulls up to the ticket machine and exits. Rapid FSD releases. What is rather interesting and impressive is the fact that FSD V14.2.1 was released just about a week after the initial FSD V14.2 update was rolled out. This bodes well for Tesla's FSD users, especially since CEO Elon Musk has stated in the past that the V14.2 series will be for widespread use. FSD V14 has so far received numerous positive reviews from Tesla owners, with numerous drivers noting that the system now drives better than most human drivers because it is cautious, confident, and considerate at the same time. The only question now, really, is if the V14.2 series does make it to the company's wide FSD fleet, which is still populated by numerous HW3 vehicles. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.